Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I accidentally lost the track while I was taping. I do apologize. And I went overboard, so I'm going to continue where I left. And what I did was I did the double crochet, and then I am going to do a popcorn stitch right here, just like this. Three, four, chain two, and then continue making my popcorn stitches like this. So we're going to have 3 popcorns here, and then we're increasing this part. So continue crochet and I'll meet you here, and then we're going to be doing two popcorn stitches as shown here. And then the last row would be 1 popcorn stitch, and we do this part. And then we finish it, and I'll show you how to attach the motif. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm just almost ending this row. And then I'm going to do a slip stitch on top of the 3 chains that we did. Chain 3, go up, and then make a popcorn, or 5, depends. 3, 4, 3, sorry, 3, and then 4. Chain 2. Now we're decreasing to 2 popcorn here. Four. Okay, so we're almost finishing the motif. So we're right here. We're just repeating, and this part is increasing, as I said. Okay, so I'm going to do a double crochet on top of the popcorn, and then chain 5. Like I said, I'm chaining 5, but you can chain 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make a double crochet between those chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a double crochet between the chains, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And double crochet on top of the double crochet. It's like a honeycomb. That's how it's. This part looks like honeycomb. Okay, so I'll continue crocheting like this all the way, and I'll meet you here, and we'll do our last row. And our last row we'll do the attaching this motif to this, and this way you can see how it's attached. Okay, so I'm joining, and I'm going to be making the last row. This time I decreased to 3 chains instead of 5 because this part is getting closer. And I'm just going to do a slip stitch and then chain 3 or 4, and then chain 4. Depends on how you crochet. You can play around with it. And here I'm going to make a popcorn stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this time I'm going to do it this way. So just to give you an idea, there's several. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to make, like I said, you can chain 3, you can chain, but I'm chaining 5 just to show you. You can chain 3 if you want. On here I chained 3. instead of 5, I chain 3 here. And I chained between, but here I didn't on this tutorial. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do a double crochet between the chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is a total of 3 here. And then now I am going to be making this part here. On this tutorial I pulled it by 3. You can do double crochet if you want. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here I'm going to be jumping right here. So this part is the middle of this area, and then I'm going to do 2. I'm going to pull 1, pull 2, pull 3, and I'm going to do this 3 times total. Oops, forgot to do 2 loops like this. So 1, pull twice, pull 3, pull twice, twice, twice. Gives you that height. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then repeat. And I will show you how to join when we come. Where did the popcorn stitches? Oops, forgot to do 2. Okay, 1, pull 1, pull 2 twice, pull 3, and 1 more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we jump here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we jump here. And then I chain 3, then make a double crochet. Okay, so while I'm doing the double crochet, I'm going to show you how to join. Let's say this is the same motif, right? So you just look where you are. Here's the popcorn stitch. Okay, and I just grab where the popcorn is. Well, actually where the where the double crochet is, sorry, and then we're gonna do the popcorn. Okay, just like this. I'm gonna pull it at once and then chain 1, actually chain 2, and then I'm gonna make a popcorn stitch right here between the popcorn, just like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'm doing is I am attaching while I'm crocheting this last row, and then I just go between the popcorn just like this, and then I go between here like I'm doing the popcorn, and I'm attaching at the same time. So I pull this popcorn and I'm pulling towards the popcorn, and I'm attaching as I'm going. 1, 2 chain, well, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to be making a double crochet here just like this, and I'm going to find my double crochet here just like this, and I'm attaching, and I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to make a double crochet here, and I'm going to find my double crochet here, and I'm going to go between just like this and pull it just like this, and then chain 1. Well, this would be 2 set, chain 2, 3, 4, 5, then make a double crochet, and then pull it from here again, 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then over 2, so 1, 2, oops, and then 3, and then I chain my one. There's supposed to be 5 chains, but I'm going to chain 3, and then I'm going to grab it from here this way and then pull it just like this, lock it, and then chain 1, 2, 3, and then continue making the 3s. 1, 2, 3, triple crochet. So 1, 2, 3, second triple crochet, and the third triple crochet. Okay, and this is how you attach it. And when I finish all the way around, I will be joining from here. Okay, so I just wanted to do this tutorial over again, and I wanted to do how to do the attachment. Just to give you an idea, this is pink, that is white, and it looks different, doesn't it? Well, on this tutorial, I did the chains longer, and here it's 3 chains, so you can play around with it. This one looks better, right? The pink doesn't show the nice, I don't know. I think the white is better. What do you think? So I would love to hear from you. Okay, so this is how you do this tutorial. It's actually very easy, but all these years I should have done it, redo it over again. And like I said, this one I didn't do any chains, but here you can do chains. Like I did chains here, just to show you. And this one I didn't go like this one, I did it top each other, and it gives that straight look. But this one, I did it between the chains, so it gives you a pinwheel look. Again, I hope you like this tutorial. It's very easy, and the joining, I like this one definitely. I might need to go and get some cream or ivory colors to make a gorgeous. But I'm working on this green that I showed earlier on the previous tutorial on how to do the shell. This stitch I'm working on. This is the popcorn stitch that I did a couple of weeks ago. I'm still working on that. But again, just wanted to do a review, like a redo on how to crochet this pinwheel, popcorn pinwheel. And again, I hope you like this tutorial. Share it with your family and friends. And happy crocheting!